To find the zeros of a cubic polynomial, just like finding the zeros of a linear polynomial or a quadratic polynomial or any polynomial when graphed, you have to look at where the function crosses the x-axis. So here it crosses the x-axis at -1, 1, and 3. On an exam, on a test on the SAT, they might say a cubic polynomial or a cubic function crosses the x-axis at -1, 1, and 3. What's the formula for the polynomial? What's the equation? So before you do any distribution, multiplying, FOILing, really simple, y equals parentheses x minus the first zero and parentheses times parentheses x minus the second zero and parentheses and so on. So in this case it would be the quantity x plus 1 times the quantity x minus 1 times the quantity x minus 3. And you can leave it at that, or you can distribute it. Be careful, they might not give you an option on a multiple choice exam where they leave it as factors. They might multiply it out, so you might want to multiply it out if you don't see it, see if that option shows up as one of your multiple choice answers. But essentially they're all equivalent. So if we change this, if we pick completely different polynomial, let's just do something weird to it. So now we have -2x squared minus 2x plus 1. Well, this is a weird one because they're not going to tell you it crosses at these numbers. They'd probably pick something easier to work with, but let's say they did. Let's say the cubic polynomial crosses at -1.36603 and 0.36625. What's the equation? Well, it's y equals the quantity x plus 1.36603 times the quantity x minus 0.36625.